Good afternoon, everyone. This is a quick tech spur on how to change your default font in Google Docs. Most of the times when we come in here, we will see Arial as our default font. And as we start typing, we're going, man, I'd like to have a different font that would be my key font that I always use. And this is how you do it. In this case, I have already changed it to Poppins, but let me show you also that you can go find more fonts and you can create anything you want to. Next, you're going to come over to normal text, make sure it's still highlighted, and click Update Normal Text to match. Next, you'll come up to Format and click Paragraph Styles and go all the way down to Options and say Save as my default styles. And now it's saved. And the next thing we're going to do to check it out and make sure that it works is go to docs.new because that will automatically create a Google document for us. And we're going to type this is an example. And look, Poppins is the automatic default font now for my Google documents. Hope that helps. You guys have a great day.